everybody should protect the nature as much as they can because we don't have another world. My name is Israel Mungure. I'm born and raised up in Tanzania. I'm a tour guide since 2022. Safari is not only to see the animals, but also it connects with the nature. I get the chance to meet the people all over the world that they came in Tanzania. And actually, we learn by each other. That's the most important for me to be in this career of tourism. Many people, they just feel amazing when they are in this park, not only because of the wildlife, but also the landscape of this area, like in Serengeti, known as the Endless Plain. They can't believe how close they get with a big animal like a lion, the elephant. They're feeling they're like in the dream, but it's alive, and many people, they love what they see. I think after primate, elephant are the second clever mammal. So as live like a family, they care on each other. That's why even if the predator sometimes, maybe if they feel like an enemy, they unite and defend each other. It's the duty for everyone to take care for the baby. If they move, you can recognize because they have a leader.
Yeah.
You can recognize by the body size. They come as a guest, but we live as a family. So most of the time we shared some stories. After safari, after game drive, we mostly stay together, like for dinner, for bonfire. We have a very different culture, different lifestyle. So I love the most while we exchange on each other's. One of our biggest destiny as a tour guide is to conserve the wildlife for the future generation all over the world. If we make a mistake to destroy the nature, it's something that we can't bring back anymore. And this is why I love to bring the people to experience the nature in safari here in Tanzania, in all the parks over the country.